My 2-year-old has a really big heart. He loves everyone and likes to show it. He's really into hugging people. He tries to hug the other kids in his play group, but because he's so big, he is 40 pounds, he often hurts them, and they cry, and the teachers and the parents get really upset. He means well, and I don't want to make him feel bad, but I don't know how to get him to stop doing this. What should I do? You might have the teachers, or yourself, whoever can do this, help your child to gently touch the other children, to go up to them and on purpose, stroke the children. Have the teacher show him how to put his hand lightly on them, lightly around them, and pull back. Actually have the teacher or yourself give this child a lesson. And then give him lots and lots of praise, because kids this age respond to that, like kids of every age, but toddlers really respond well to lots of clapping and excitement and smiles and praise, and you just go, wow, that's how you do it. And you could give him a secret code word, not a secret code word, but like a code word for this, where you can say something like, good hugging, some little phrase that reminds him that this is how he's supposed to do it. Good hugging, every time he does it the right way. When he does it the wrong way, a little look of displeasure would probably be sufficient if you're giving tons of positive attention to the right way. If it's not sufficient, then you can give a gentle no, and maybe pull him away from the other child. Soon he'll learn the difference between good for you, good hugging, that's great, and no. And he'll figure it out.